Coverage you can count on begins with South Carolina lawmakers discussing a bill today that could help victims of human trafficking and prostitution.
Caroline Yaffa tells us how this bill is different than previous versions.
This bill discusses prostitution, solicitation, and human trafficking. Lawmakers say the main goal of this bill is to protect individuals and punish those who commit this crime.
We need protection, and those who exploit and buy others must be held accountable.
For 18 years, Heather Pagan was sold for sex, and in her words, used as a reusable, disposable commodity.
It's about surviving. And when all the cards are stacked against you, it becomes a choice between evil or evil. I'm one of the elect few who made it out.
Currently, under state law, prostitution and coercion are misdemeanors, but Senator Josh Kimbrell's bill would upgrade them to felony charges. Kimbrell says this bill also aims to protect human trafficking victims who were coerced into performing criminal acts.
I think we get to the floor, it may be a unanimous vote. I can't imagine anybody who doesn't agree ultimately we should protect these victims and go after people who victimize them.
He says leaders need to pass this bill immediately because it is already a law in North Carolina, and he believes predators could target South Carolinians.
We do not need that culture in South Carolina, and if we don't do something pretty quick, all these folks that are forced out of North Carolina will come here, and we need to make sure we stop that.
Democratic Senator Overture Walker agrees. He says it's important to protect people from prostitution and human trafficking. He suggested an amendment to the bill that would give immunity to a person forced into the sex trade.
Give them the opportunity pre-trial to have that hearing, to offer up our evidence where a judge can decide based on the preponderance of evidence if this individual was in fact a victim of sex trafficking or was involved in prostitution under duress and avoid prosecution.
Senator Kimbrell says he looks forward to putting the bipartisan amendment into the bill alongside Senator Walker. In Columbia, I'm Caroline Yaffa.